A bay stallion born in March is catalog number 54. He is by Vitalis out of State Premium Mare Finesse by Florestan 1, Rubinstein 1 and Weidmeier. Out of grandmother's generation comes the Grand Prix successful and licensed stallion Biedermeier by Bellissimo M. Out of his mother line is the Team Olympic silver medalist and World Cup final winner Damon Hill by Donna Hall with Helen Lange-Hahnenberg. Also Formidable Star by Franziskus and the Grand Prix successful Weidmeier son Wisdom.